Hey guys, I'm back. Guess what? I'm finished. I'm finished. This was not an easy thing to do. So, as I explained, the center of the hood was really distorted. It was bad. You could see it was tuna can everywhere. But now you can see and hear that it's pretty solid now, and it's flat. The thing about trying to re-straighten metal after it's been compromised, whether it's by shape or strength, whatever, or both usually, it's hard to put it back to shape, especially flat areas like this. Areas like over here on the edge where it's rounded, it's easy because you've got because you've got some strength and shape to hold it. This, you've got nothing. It's all flat. So when the strength is compromised and the shape is compromised, metal does not go back to where it was originally by any means. So it takes a lot of work, a lot of work. So if you can, I don't know if you can see it, but all the little tiny black dots in here, and there's probably well over 100 of them, easily. Those are all shrink marks. Whether I shrunk it with the stud, I'd burn a stud onto it, and yes, I would burn the stud onto it, but then right after I did, I'd pull the gun off, and I would cool it quickly, so it would shrink the metal at the same time, and then I would pull it. And there's other times where I'd make a different call. But anyway, so right now, as you can see, the hood is not bouncing around like a tuna can like it was earlier. So now I'm ready to give this thing a quick grinding, and we're going to move on to the next steps of priming or body filler. I'm not sure how I want to go about it yet. But either way, I just wanted to give you a quick update on this. It's looking good. After about that long, I'm pretty happy with the result. So I will keep you in touch, keep you informed, and just let me know what you think of these videos, guys, because like I said before, I'm just trying to, it's fun to do them. It's not me really, but I'm trying to educate anybody who hasn't, who wants to try to do this stuff on their own, but it's like, I don't know how to do this. Well, you can do it. It's not that hard. It just takes some practice and a little bit of coaching, education. But if you, if you put, like I said, if you put yourself to it, you put your mind to it, you can do anything. So guys, let me know what you think of the videos, and I will see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.